Glamphouse, a manufacturer known for its high-quality European-made tents. This particular tent is designed to be a versatile and comfortable accommodation option for glamping enthusiasts. Check the weather forecast. Don't attempt to set up your tent in high winds or rain. Find a level, clear site that is free of rocks, branches, or other debris that could puncture the tent floor. Gather your tools. You'll need a mallet, hammer, drill level, and a stepladder. Lay out the tent floor panels. The Triangle 22 has a wooden floor system made of prefabricated panels. These should simply snap together to create the tent's base. Assemble the metal frame. The tent's frame is made of powder-coated metal. Consult the assembly instructions that come with your tent to connect the frame pieces. Attach the tent fabric. Once the frame is assembled, drape the tent fabric over the frame and secure it using the provided straps and buckles. Install the door and windows. The Triangle 22 most likely has zippered doors and windows. ZeroSquared Aurora is a unique tiny house on wheels designed for spacious and comfortable living in a compact footprint. Utilizes slide-outs. The Aurora's defining feature is its two motorized slide-outs that expand the width from a street-legal 8.5 feet to a generous 15 feet 10 inches when parked. This expansion creates a roomy 374 square feet, up to 418 square feet with optional loft, of living space, comparable to a small apartment. Multi-level layout. Unlike many single-level tiny homes, the Aurora offers the option of a queen-size bed loft in addition to the main floor bedroom. This provides extra sleeping space for guests or children. Sturdy build. The Aurora is constructed using a custom-designed steel chassis and structural insulated panels, SIPs, for durability and good insulation. Modern features. The tiny house boasts a full kitchen with ample cabinets. Overlandish is a company that specializes in rooftop tents and awnings designed for overlanding adventures. Overlanding is a style of travel that involves self-sufficient vehicle-based exploration on unpaved roads, often in remote destinations. Overlandish rooftop tents and awnings provide comfortable sleeping and living quarters for overlanders, allowing them to camp almost anywhere. Durability. Overlandish tents are made from high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of off-road travel. Comfort. The tents are spacious and comfortable, with features like breathable fabric, comfortable mattresses, and plenty of ventilation. Ease of use. Overlandish tents are designed to be easy to set up and take even for one person. Versatility. Overlandish awnings provide shade and shelter from the elements, and can be used for cooking, relaxing, or storing gear. Genius Hausboote is a German company based in Oranienburg that builds high-quality, sustainable houseboats. They focus on creating the perfect blend of design, technology. Genius Hausboote currently offers two main houseboat models, Bel Ami and Don Carlos. They will also custom-build houseboats to meet your specific needs, such as houseboats designed for events, home offices, or even floating party locations, perfect for couples or small families. Compact and maneuverable, ideal for exploring canals and rivers. Despite its compact size, it offers a surprisingly spacious and comfortable interior. Made with high-quality, sustainable materials, including Bangkirai wood and Siberian larch. Features a fully equipped bathroom, a kitchen with a sink, and a gas heater for warmth and hot water. The solar panels mounted on the roof help to reduce reliance on shore power. Hauslein Tiny House Company is a company based in Herons Creek, New South Wales, Australia that specializes in designing and building high-end tiny houses. Clever designs. Their tiny houses prioritize utilizing space efficiently with clever design features. They offer base models with multiple variations to suit different needs and preferences. They even have a unique slide-out feature that expands the living space for a more luxurious feel. High-quality materials and finishes. Hauslein uses high-quality materials and finishes throughout their builds. This ensures that their tiny houses are durable, long-lasting, and aesthetically pleasing. Customizable options. While they offer several base models, Hauslein Tiny House Company understands that a tiny house should reflect your unique style and needs. They allow you to customize your tiny house with a variety of options, ensuring you get exactly the tiny house you've always dreamed of. AlphaGo S6 isn't an AI program like the famous AlphaGo that defeated professional Go players. It's a luxury off-road camper trailer made by AlphaGo Off-Road Camper Trailers, a South African company. His particular model, the S6, is known for its spacious interior, innovative features, and ease of setup. Spacious and opulent interior. Despite its compact exterior, the S6 boasts a surprisingly roomy interior thanks to its inflatable tent technology. It can comfortably sleep up to 6 people with 2 bedrooms and a convertible lounge area. High-quality materials and finishes create a luxurious feel, effortless setup. Unlike traditional trailers with poles and complex assembly, the S6 utilizes inflatable tent technology. With the push of a button, the trailer inflates in under 3 minutes, making it a breeze to set up camp. TENTSXPERT PAKA tent is a luxurious glamping tent designed for high-end clientele, offers a comfortable living area for a couple, with ample space for a king-sized bed, bedside tables, and seating. Separate open-air bathroom area provides a unique and luxurious touch, often featuring a vanity, sink, toilet, and rain shower. An outdoor relaxation area allows you to enjoy the surrounding views in style, built with a galvanized steel frame for strength and weather resistance. Tightly woven canvas walls offer protection from the elements. Large screen windows provide excellent ventilation and views while keeping insects at bay. Roller shutters on the windows allow for privacy and temperature control, requires 3 to 4 people for assembly, but doesn't necessitate a crane. The frame utilizes a stretchable support system for a stable structure. The canvas walls are attached with Velcro for additional stability. TENTSXPERT solar-powered tent, also known as the Power Dome, is a luxurious and eco-friendly glamping tent designed for those who want to experience the outdoors in style and comfort, with minimal impact on the environment. Utilizes specially designed triangular photovoltaic glass panels as its roof. These solar panels capture sunlight throughout the day to generate electricity, powering the tent's various amenities and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. The Power Dome can store excess solar energy to power the tent at night or during cloudy days, offers a diameter of 6 meters, around 20 feet, providing a generous living space for up to 2 people, includes a comfortable king-sized bed, seating area, and ample storage space. Large windows provide natural light and stunning views of the surrounding environment. Thanks to the solar panels, the Power Dome can power features like interior lighting. PlainsCraft covered wagons are not your typical covered wagons used by pioneers on the Western trails. These are luxurious glamping units designed to provide a unique and unforgettable camping experience. Handcrafted quality. Each PlainsCraft covered wagon is meticulously built using high-quality materials and traditional craftsmanship. They are built to last and withstand the elements. Luxurious interiors. The interiors are surprisingly spacious and designed to provide a comfortable and luxurious feel. They typically include features like plush bedding, cozy seating areas, and air conditioning for year-round comfort. Modern amenities. Many PlainsCraft wagons come equipped with modern amenities like private bathrooms, refrigerators, and entertainment systems, making your glamping experience truly unforgettable. Or other hospitality venues looking to offer a unique and luxurious accommodation option. ETONG refers to Liaoning ETONG Intelligent Equipment Manufacturing Company, Limited, a company based in Shenyang, China, that specializes in manufacturing mobile homes and other prefabricated structures. Space capsule mobile homes. These futuristic-looking mobile homes are known for their durability, energy efficiency, and compact design. They are made from aluminum alloy and feature steel frame structures for wind and shock resistance. ETONG offers various sizes to suit different needs and preferences. Mobile barrier explosion-proof refueling device. This is another product offered by ETONG, but it's not as widely known as their mobile homes. Quick and easy installation. These mobile homes can be installed on site.